Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari SF90 versus the Corvette C8Z06. We'll dive into their core differences, starting with their powertrains. The SF90 is a sophisticated hybrid, while the Z06 boasts a powerful, naturally aspirated engine. Understanding these fundamental distinctions is key to appreciating their unique driving experiences. Let's explore how these design philosophies translate to on-road performance. Let's talk about what powers these beasts. The Ferrari SF90 combines a twin-turbo V8 with 3 electric motors, generating a staggering 986 horsepower. The Corvette C8Z06, on the other hand, relies on a high-revving, naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8, producing 670 horsepower. While both are incredibly fast, the SF90 Hybrid Boost gives it a slight edge in raw acceleration, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Beyond raw power, how do these cars handle? The SF90 advanced all-wheel drive system and complex electronics provide incredible grip and precision, making it feel planted at high speeds. The C8Z06, with its mid-engine layout and rear-wheel drive, offers a more visceral and direct connection to the road. Both are track-focused machines, but they achieve their dynamic prowess through very different engineering philosophies, catering to distinct driving preferences. Finally, let's consider the price and overall value. The Ferrari SF90 is a hypercar with a price tag reflecting its exclusivity and cutting-edge technology, often starting well over $500,000. The Corvette C8Z06 offers supercar performance at a significantly more accessible price, typically around $110,000. Both deliver incredible performance, but the Z06 provides exceptional value for its capabilities. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.